Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2015. There's a Mitsubishi Mirage, stock number 6384. This ran from the 2012 to the current shape. It has a 3A9 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 1-speed CVT automatic transmission. This is the 3A9 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror have a slight scuff. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 2 dents. Left rear 14-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard 1 dent. Right front 14-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.